Have you guys found yourself in this situation? You turn the doorknob or pull down on the thumb latch and your front door just won't open? Let's find out why. Here we will see how the latch operates. In the latch, there is a half moon cutout that is received by a half barrel in the doorknob or door handle assembly. As you turn the doorknob or pull down on the thumb latch, it turns that half barrel. Over time, from constant use, the half barrel continues to dig in to that half moon cutout in the latch. Over time, that gap opens up, and even though we are turning the doorknob completely, it is not able to retract the latch fully. Here I have blown up an image comparing a brand new latch assembly with a worn one. The worn latch assembly is on top. Circled in red, you could see how this half moon cutout has been worn away with time. Here we could see, even though I'm turning the handle all the way, the latch does not retract fully. With a small hex bit, go ahead and remove the set screw located into the door handle. With a flathead screwdriver, you can remove the vanity cover known as the rose. Next, the vanity cover for the lower mounting screw of the door handle can be removed with a flathead screwdriver. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the lower fastener for the door handle. Using the Phillips screwdriver again, you will loosen the two screws on the mounting plate. Do not remove them completely, but retract them enough that the mounting plate can be rotated. Rotating the mounting plate counterclockwise will allow us to pull it free from the door. The door handle assembly can now be removed and pulled from the door. With the Phillips screwdriver, remove the two Phillips screws securing the faceplate and door latch assembly. With the two screws removed, the door latch assembly can be pulled free of the door. The door latch assembly is adjustable depending on the depth that is needed. Compare the old latch to your new latch and make the adjustment as needed. As you see me doing in the video, on either side there's two metal tabs that you grab with your fingers and slide up to make it longer. The reinstallation is just reverse of what you saw me do to take it apart. And there you have it, the replacement of a worn out door latch.